This is how I made this amazing transformation. Watch.
Yo, welcome back. It's your boy Alex, and I'm back with another home workout. This video is titled, How to Build an Aesthetic Body for Skinny Teens. So I'm gonna show you how I did this at home to give me those wide shoulders, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. You can start here. I got 15 pounds. Listen, y'all, you don't need the heavy weight. I had to increase the weight, but when I was a youngster doing this, I would just grab 5 pounds, just like this, 5 pounds from 5 and below, and I would do the same thing. Boom. You actually, with the lighter weight, you got more control. But I had to add the 15 because I'm trying to get a good workout as well and show y'all exactly what I was doing, right? So I would do that 4 sets. 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps, depending on the weight, y'all, right? Then, right into shoulder presses. Boom. Right? Boom. Like I said, I didn't have so much weight. So I would press, do about 20 reps until I couldn't do any more, and then I'll shrug. So this light weight is gonna feel so heavy from doing the shoulder presses, and I'll just get into it. Focusing on squeezing the trap as hard as I can, coming right back down. It's like saying no, right? But squeezing your traps, coming down. You're not just gonna come straight up. Boom. Squeezing and coming back down. The reason why I tucked my head is because I had too many neck injuries from squeezing so hard, right? So now, the next exercise I would do some back, right? This is something we all can do. Lightweight, heavyweight, lean forward, and row. Boom, dumbbell rows, squeezing the shit out of your back. Check me out. I don't know if you can see it. All right? Do that for 20 reps. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, all right. Boom. That's that. Next exercise, right? We got the back on point, right? Now we'll grab, I only had light weight at the time, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I would do for that mid back, just like that. So I'll grab something like the 5s, keep the elbows out, squeeze. It's like hitting the rear, just everything, the whole rear delt, everything, right? Boom. Squeeze in the back as hard as you can. Squeeze. Contract the muscles. All right. From there, this is the easiest part that you guys can do, y'all. Dumbbell curls. We all love curls, right? We all love the curls. I will start here, boom. Keep my hands to the side. Your elbow shouldn't go past or behind. It should be here. Just like this, control and squeeze. All right, you got me. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Keep the form tight, control the negative, squeeze at the top. Boom. 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 All right. We will do that 100 reps, y'all. 100 reps. Next exercise, we would do for that shelf-like chest. We'll hit all the variations of push-ups, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is the most important. They're all important, right? But we will wanna hit this. Grab a chair. You can do it on your bed, whatever. I used to do it on my bed, to be honest. And put your feet. Do some decline push-ups. Boom. Just like that. Keeping time under tension. Nice and smooth. When you come up, focusing on squeezing the chest. Don't just do reps, right? A lot of people tell you do 100 reps. I'm not telling you to do 100 reps. I'm telling you to do 100 correct push-ups. Focusing on squeezing on each push-up. Squeeze on each push-up, right? So you stretch the muscle, coming down, come down, push up and squeeze. All right? You do that 100 times, you should be ready. You should be beach ready. Ready for the beach, y'all. It's another great workout. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, let me throw some abs in there too. Definitely got to do abs, get that core tight. But if you're a skinny dude, you probably already got abs. So I'm just giving you workouts to build some size, some real gains, y'all. Natural gains. All right, but if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe, share, and like, and let us get to 2K, man. We're trying to get to 2K. Let's go, let's get it. Boom.